Here's the problem. The new one is installed. You have to pry this little triangle piece out of the groove, and then you can pull the wheel off. Notice that this is a sleeve bearing on a shaft, and the new ones are roller bearings. Have to release these clips. Remove this harness clip. You have to squeeze it to loosen it. Okay, next we have to undo this connector, and then some other connector. Oh, here. Next, we're going to get this harness loose by removing this clip, and we can squeeze it on the back side, I think. And we're going to take these 2 screws loose, and we're going to take these 3 screws loose. Now we're going to undo this sensor. Then we're going to undo these 2 screws to remove this panel. Then we're going to remove these 4 screws to remove the bulkhead. Here's the problem. You have to pry this little triangle piece out of the groove, and then you can pull the wheel off. Notice that this is a sleeve bearing on a shaft, and the new ones are roller bearings. So you see the shaft is held in by a lock nut on the back side. Didn't expect that, so that one means I'm going to have to take this shield off to get to it. The new one is installed. Don't forget to put the washer in there and the new nut on this side. To get to the second roller in the front, you have to take the shield off, which is a screw here and a screw here. So I still can't get to the shaft, so I have to take this plastic off, which I think are these two screws. I had to take these 4 screws out so that I could pull this out. Which then gets me access to the back. Looks like to get to the back rollers, I've got to take this panel loose. You can kind of reach behind it, but I don't think it's worth it. Had to take these screws loose. Couple down here, here, and maybe there.